Model, 2000 Ford Transit 120 fiberglass high roof spares or repairs full camper project. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 105,945. Engine, 2496 cc-F1 CGA UAP. Transmission, 5-speed manual. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. It's going to need a cambelt very soon and we wouldn't recommend driving it. Very easy cheap fix. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. This van has been part converted into a camper in the rear. With loads of potential and the sky being the limit, this could make a great family getaway. Some of the key features have already been installed and just require some TLC to get it over the finish line. Features: HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.